learners, this is Neha in front of you. Welcome back to our channel India's Learner. Yes, first of all I would like to say thank you to all of you for showering your love and affection and support on my previous videos. And yes, it is your love and support that motivate us for doing the best. So thank you, thanks a lot, and keep loving and learning to my YouTube channel. And those who are new watching this video, please subscribe my channel, and yes, hit the like button and share this video more and more with your friends. And yes, give your valuable comments also in the last of the video. So thank you. Let's move to the topic. That is, we are again back to the NCERT series of geography. Here again of the class 8. And yes, today we are going to discuss the chapter 4, that is agriculture. As it is mentioned here, this is a part 1 of the chapter, and in this part 1 the key points we are going to cover in this video are, let us know about them. The key points of the chapter agriculture that we are trying to cover in this video are: what is agriculture? First we will discuss what does the word agriculture mean. Later on we will know about what are the different types of economic activity that are needed to perform to convert a raw material into a finished product. And also we will come to know about what are the factors that affect or influenced the agricultural activities, as we are mainly discussing about agriculture in this video. So what are the factors that affect the agricultural activities? And in this part, the last, we will come to know about the various forms of agriculture. So yes, let us discuss about each of them in detail one by one. So move to the first topic, that is agriculture. Agriculture is also called farming. In general sense, generally the people call this process as farming. And yes, it is in broad sense, it is practiced in its various forms. Let us first know about its meaning. First topic, agriculture. What does the agriculture word mean? The agriculture word is derived from two Latin words, that is ager, which means soil, and yes, next word is the culture, which refers to the cultivation. So here the word agriculture refers to the process of cultivation on the soil for mainly the two purposes, that is for raising crops and for rearing animals. So the agriculture means that it is a science and art that deals with the cultivation process on the soil, which mainly done for raising the crops as well as for rearing the animals. And yes, in other words, we can say that agriculture deals with the cultivation of crops as well as the domestication of animals. So yes, agriculture is the most significant activity, economic activity of all over the world. In all over the world, about 50% of the total population involved in this agricultural activities. And when we talk about our country India, which is the second most populous country in all over the world, we very well know about that in India, 2/3 of its population involved or still dependent on agriculture activities. As in India and the world also, since earlier times, it is the basic economic activity that provides a raw material to the different kinds of industries and factories, so that we get the so many important daily use items and the food items also. So let us know more about that. What are the economic activity has to be done in order to get the finished products from the raw material that we get from the agriculture. So let's talk about the next important topic, that is the different types of economic activities. As we know that agriculture is the most significant activity, plays an important role in our economy also. So yes, through agriculture we get so many raw materials that are present in the nature in their raw form. But because due to the production of natural resources, we get these food items in their raw form, which are not in edible form. So to convert these food items in the edible form or useful form, we need to process it. So to convert the raw materials into the finished products, we need to perform several activities which are divided into 3 categories. So our topic is the different types of economic activities. Economic activities which are divided into 3 main categories. The first is primary. Another category is the secondary activity, and the last is the tertiary activities. Let us know about each of them. Secondary and tertiary. Primary activities. Primary activities mainly involve the production and extraction of natural resources. Nature has provided so many important resources in the raw form in our nature. Some of them we need to produce, and some of them needed to be extracted so that we get the raw material. For example, the process of fishing, agricultural activity, and yes, mining, etc. These are the main primary activity. Through these we get the raw materials in various forms. In secondary activity, it includes manufacturing of the finished products by using the raw material that is provided by the primary activities. By the primary activities, for example, making iron sheets, baking bread, weaving cloth, etc. So many manufacturing activities involved in the secondary type of economic activities. And when we talk about the tertiary activities, these provides supports and services or facilities, and give support to the primary and secondary activities. And for example, we can take the facility of transport, yes, market, communication, advertisement, healthcare facility, and so many other activities are called the tertiary activities that support to the primary and secondary activities. Directly or indirectly, these all economic activities support to the agricultural activities. Through it we get the finished products of our daily needs. So yes, all the economic activities or the development of the economic activities in agriculture depends on certain factors. Let us talk about that in the next topic, that is the factor affecting agricultural activities. Factor affecting agricultural activities. Influencing agricultural activities. So yes, every of the natural process or the man-made process are affected by certain factors, and this agricultural activities are affected by two kind of factors we have categorized. The one is natural factor, and other category is the man-made factors. Natural factors. In natural factors we includes relief, soil, water, climate. These are the factors of natural factors that affect the agricultural activities in the different ways. Like relief, suitable relief for the topography of the land, yes, suitable soil, fertile soil, and yes, good availability of water or the water supply, and the favorable climatic conditions supports the agricultural activities. On the vice versa, unfavorable climatic conditions and the water scarcity is another problem, and the infertile soil doesn't support the agricultural activities, and relief should be very suitable, like plain and river valleys are suitable for agricultural activities, whereas when we have the mountain or the hilly areas or the desert regions also does not support the agricultural activities. So these are the main factors, natural factors, that must be there in the suitable form so that the agricultural activity should be performed and done in the improved ways. And man-made factors, we can take the example of transport and market, banking, and yes, communication, machine, labor, etc. are the man-made factors that affect the agricultural activities in different ways. The good transport facilities support the three economic activities: primary, secondary, and yes, it is also a tertiary activity that supports the primary and secondary activities. So transport should be very proper, and yes, on time the transport facility should be available. And market, yes, market should be near to the factories and industries, so that the it is a cheap way to get the raw materials and to just send to the raw material to the different kinds of factories and industries to be processed. And banking, insurance, yeah, these two facilities are provided by the government, but it is yes, important for promoting the agricultural activities, so that we can farmers get the loan or the money, so that they can take the fertilizers, they can purchase the fertilizers and the different kinds of machines, so that they can practice agricultural activities in an improved way. Communication facility should be very proper, and machine, yes, modern machines and modern machine should be there, and labor should be skilled and available in the good amount, so that the man-made activities or agricultural activities can be performed very easily. So yes, these are certain factors, natural and man-made, that affect the agricultural activities in a different way. Let us talk about what kind of what are the various forms of agriculture can be seen in all over the world. Because agriculture is, in its broad sense, it involves agriculture or the cultivation of soil for the different purposes. Let us know about the various forms. Various forms of agriculture. Agriculture is one of them. So here we are talking about the culture. That means cultivation. 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 That can be practiced in the various forms. Agri, Seri in its short form, Pisci, Horti, and Viti. Agriculture. Agri and culture. Agriculture. Agriculture is the science and art of growing the crops and rearing the animals and the livestock, whereas the sericulture includes the commercial farming of the silkworm to get the silk, and the pisciculture is another form of agriculture. And yes, pisciculture involves the breeding of fishes, and horticulture is a science and art of growing the different kinds of vegetable, fruits and herbs. And yes, viticulture, that involves the growing of grapes, and yes, it for commercial use it is practiced. I am going to write the definition in short. Agriculture for growing of crops, and rearing livestock. Sericulture, commercial farming of silkworm, and pisciculture deals with the breeding of fishes. Horticulture, growing veggies, fruits, herbs, etc. Flower also includes in that. Viticulture, commercial farming of grapes. So yes, it is. These are the various forms of agriculture from which the word culture that added to the different kinds of the short form, so that it may connected to a new word that means the different kinds of activities or various forms of agriculture. Agriculture that talks about the growing of crops and rearing livestock, where the sericulture is the commercial farming of silkworms. Pisciculture includes the breeding of fishes, where the horticulture involves the growing of veggies, fruits, flowers, herbs, and in the organic way. Viticulture is the commercial farming of grapes. So yes, later on in the part 2, we will discuss the next topics that are related to the chapter 4 agriculture. Thank you.